Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog training video. Today's video, we're going to talk about the weekly close. And I was going to try to wait and make this video later, but there's somewhere I have to be here soon. So I figured I would just do a really quick video for you guys on Ethereum and Bitcoin so you guys get a little understanding on what's going on here. Now, last week, we talked about this 50 moving average, which we're going to touch on. We talked about this wedge. We talked about this wedge inside the wedge where we got the bounce, where we ended up getting in at this area at the 31,100 level. I missed this. I should have had this, but it didn't get filled. But that's part of the game, right, guys? So we're in this now, and now we're hitting some resistance right here on the weekly high, a little bit above the weekly high. So, which is nice. I want to show you guys that as well. But we are coming out of this wedge, so this is looking bullish. And I'm looking for maybe a little bit more upside and I'm going to show you guys, we're going to look at the weekly chart, right? Which it does look like so far. It looks like we're going to get a close above this previous weekly and a solid candle, engulfing candle above this. This would be very bullish. I would look for continuation if this happens, guys. Could we get a pullback? Sure, yes, we could. But in the end, I think we're going to go a little bit higher, okay, based on what I'm seeing. Plus, guys, we're above the monthly 50-day again. We fell underneath it. We got worried here. People got scared, but we did not get the close, guys. I talked about it looks bad when we break under it. But we always talk about this next candle, right? What's going to happen with the next candle? Well, we opened underneath it, but now we're closing back above it. So this is very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish in my opinion. So we'll look for higher. We want to see this thing close above at least 34,300 area would be nice. 34,350 area would be really, really looking good. I think that would be nice for continuation on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is looking very, very healthy. So we're coming out of a wedge. So we should, technically the target would be a lot higher. So you can see my ranges. We got the 35, 900 area and the 600 area. Okay, so those would be our first targets. And then, of course, we move our way up and we get up to here, which would be the monthly high at 41,300 area. And then, of course, we would come here, which I didn't mark, at almost $42,000. Okay, so those would be the levels we'd be looking for. We could even draw a box in there real quick. This here. Actually, we can go here and then we can extend it because I should have extended it down here. So in that level there. So, that's very possible, guys. Very possible. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum chart. Ethereum chart. Actually, I need to extend this. I'm just going to hit the extender on it. So it's going to look ugly, but it's okay. We're going to extend it to the right. To the left. There we go. Okay. We're going to just extend that and extend this. Same thing. Just extend it because we could go higher in this. Okay. But now this is bearish, so I'm waiting for a pullback. This has more potential to break to the downside than to the upside. We could go higher in this before we come down. But eventually, I'm looking for a pullback. Let's check real quick. I'm going to do it because I have to get out of here. We're going to do a little Fibonacci retracement here. Let's see, from point high, which was up here, around here. I like to see pullbacks to the 618. I don't know if we're going to get that. We probably will, though, if we break down out of this wedge, which is right around 1985 area, okay? So that could be a possibility. So, guys, keep an eye on that for a bounce there if we do break down. It depends on how high we get up. If we break this previous high, then we could go higher, right? So just pay attention to that. I would look for a pullback. And then same thing, if that happens, we'll look for something on Bitcoin. But right now, the ribbons are looking good. We talked about closing, what was it, my last video on Friday, I believe, I said, hey guys, if we close above this, then we're looking good, right? Well, we closed above there and we shot straight up, right? So now we want to close above this 35,600. We close above there, we'll be looking really bullish here on the ribbons as well. So that's something also that we have to keep an eye out for, okay? Yeah, so I think that's it. This is an old, sorry, that's an old fib I was doing. Now, maybe I can redo this real quick for you guys. I'm running out of time. Guys, everything I say, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. But let's go up here. Let's go ahead and put that up to there. Oops, what did I just do? Yeah, so we could see, I don't know if no, that can't be right. We could see a pullback there. We got to go a little higher on this fib. Sorry, I'm rushing things right now, guys. That's not a good thing. We don't like to rush here, but I got to be somewhere really soon. So I should have done this video earlier, but I was trying to wait as long as possible to see what happened with this price here. But it's looking bullish so far. Now we got to hold it. That would be the key. Let's get this level right here, actually. Let's go to this level right here, which was around the 40, the monthly candle. So yeah, so the 618 would be here. So we could get a pullback to the 33,580 area or 33,680. Let's see, 33,600 area. So that could be a possibility for a pullback there. If that doesn't hold, then yeah, then we could see maybe a bounce off this bottom on this ribbon, depending on where this is at the 20. So that could be also a possibility, guys. So just keep an eye out for these things. Much love to you guys. I'm going to get this video out as quick as possible as I can to you guys. And much love to you guys. And yeah, hopefully we all make money. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure you guys sub to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Peace out.